India is one of the world's largest energy importers. It cannot afford disruption in oil supply. After sanctions on Russia, Western buyers reduced imports. India increased purchases, often at discounted prices. This wasn't political alignment, it was economic optimization. Lower energy costs lead to lower inflation and stronger domestic stability. At the same time, India strengthens ties with the United States through technology partnerships, defense cooperation, and investment flows. With China, the relationship is more complex. Economic interdependence meets geopolitical rivalry and border tensions. India's foreign policy operates in multiple directions simultaneously, not choosing sides, but maximizing advantage across them. But the real strength comes from within: a massive domestic market, rising consumption, a growing middle class. Because of its scale, India isn't just a participant, it's a market others want access to. That creates leverage. India opens sectors strategically. It protects where needed and invites capital where beneficial. India doesn't reject global systems, it uses them while preparing alternatives. In a divided world, neutrality becomes power. Subscribe to Learning BizCraft.